Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today we're going to talk about extremely bullish project that I believe could be one of the biggest gainers end of the year and next year. And this project is called De.Fi. Yeah, the name of the project is De.Fi. This is one of the reasons why I think this project could go 10 to 100x in the up and coming bull run. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do your research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
As I mentioned, today we are talking about a DeFi Web3 project called De.Fi. And yes, the name is part of this project being bullish, because when people are going to be searching for DeFi, this is going to be a #1 project to pop up. And of course, this is a good benefit, but this project has way more stuff going for it. They have great utilities, great features, insane partners, insane backing, investors, influencers, and also they're teasing a new launch. And I believe this launch could be AI agent. And with all the hype in AI agents, and also we have this established ecosystem platform, I believe this project and their token could really skyrocket. And this is the big reason why I'm placing lots of bets on this project, also doing this video, because I believe the price is about to skyrocket, and I believe this project is still under the radar for most crypto investors. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all the features, all the utilities, explain you why I believe the project is bullish, and later we're going to jump in and talk about the update, the future, and of course talk about some of the price predictions. So let's jump into the DeFi website. You can find all the links in the description to follow what I'm doing on the screen. So they have this simple explanation. It's a Web3 SocialFi and antivirus super app. And I think this intro kind of sells this project short, because they have so many different features and they're adding stuff all the time, which is again really great for the investors, because all of these updates of course get more attention, more people, more investors, and the price of course automatically increases. And you can see on top we have this banner coming soon, December 13, and it's gonna be, I think, this big announcement about AI agents. And I believe I'm one of the first to do this video and talk about this update. So if you're watching this video, you can actually buy the tokens before it becomes mainstream. After that, of course, you can buy the token, but let's talk about some other features first. So they have really great tracking features. So DeFi provides unified data for the most popular DeFi protocols via intuitive interface or flexible API. And we have really impressive numbers by DeFi. And again, if you want to learn about different products they offer, on top they have this tab called products. So you can see they have a dashboard where you can monitor all your crypto assets, basically connect the wallet and see what you hold, what's going up, what's going down. After that, they have scanners, so you can analyze smart contracts. They also have statistics inside. You can see what they're tracking about crypto markets. Next up, they have Shield, where you can also analyze smart contracts. They have their token. They have Rect database, so you can understand the scams and different hacks happening in the markets, which is really important. Also, they have Accelerator, which is kind of like a launch pad. They plan to launch other projects using their ecosystem. Again, really great for the investors, because if you follow my channel, you know how bullish I am about Launchpad tokens. And of course, you can send swap like in other platforms, but I think this ecosystem, what they call is a super app, where you can do everything in one place. And what's really good for us, the market cap is still pretty low, so we can make really big returns with this project. Again, not a financial advice. And if you want to dig deeper about all of these products, you can click right here and click on any of these products, or scroll down, because they have more information and even showing you how everything looks inside their platform. So you can see about the Shield, about the scanner, how everything works, and how this could help your workflow or your project or your portfolio. Next up, we have more information about the actual token. So you can actually find their token on the top 17 centralized crypto exchanges. Again, this is really great and makes it accessible to all the investors. You can see, of course, you can buy it on all the DEXs. You can find the analytics, again, on all the popular analytics websites. You can see this token is everywhere. And of course, DeFi is extremely popular right now, and I think this project could be the one. And once I will show you the charts, you're going to see how big of opportunity we have right now buying this token before the bull run. And now let's talk about some of the partners and some of the bullish things actually picked out for this video. So first of all, we have the investors. So this project has pretty crazy investors. We have Hobby Ventures, we have OKX, we have 21 Shares, who is the first BTC ETF issuer, pretty crazy. We have Shima Capital, Fenbushi, we have Dex Tools. And if we're talking about the big players, if we scroll down, you can see some of the angels. You can see John Izagure, I hope I'm saying it right, former Binance director. We have people from Coinbase, Synthetics, Polygon, Paraswap. So you can see how many big names and big funds and big projects actually invested and are backing this project, which is again really bullish because all of these projects, of course, do their personal research and they only invest in the winners. And you can see the biggest players in the game invested in this project. They're backing this project, they're promoting this project. And of course, this brings more protection and safety for us investors because these projects did the research. And I believe right now we're still pretty early before the bull run. We can also see some of the exchange investors. You can see Huobi, OKX, MEX, ZB via BTC. And we also have some of the influencers who invested in this project. Next up, they have really big projects using this platform. So you can see Used and Trust by CoinGecko, Gecko Terminal, Avascan. You can see all of the big projects, universities. We have Ape O'Clock, Nomis. So you can see the biggest names in the industry are using this platform. They back this platform and they also invested in the platform. And if you're watching this video, you can also be part of this project by buying their tokens super early. They even have some of the testimonials of these big players right here on the website. You can actually check out, again, links in the description and see what other big investors, big players are talking about this project. And also what's really cool, as I mentioned in the beginning, this project has all the domains. You can see they have the DeFi domain. They also have on Twitter the name called DeFi. Again, really great for the search results. If someone's looking for DeFi, it's going to be the top result. Also, if you go for the coin market cap, their also token ticker is DeFi. If you put in right here, let's DeFi. You're going to see it's the first token to pop out. Again, I think this is really great for marketing and for the project growth because they're a leader in this space. And of course, DeFi is growing like crazy. And the last thing I want to mention about this project from the project side, they also have this event, which happened November 11th in Thailand, Bangkok. I kind of missed it. I actually lived in Thailand for a long time, but for this time I was in Europe, so I missed the project. But they have one of the biggest events in Bangkok. You can see they have 1,000 plus attendees, 50 speakers. You can see some of the big partners, Forbes, Wall Street Journal, Business Insider. Again, all the big names are here with DeFi. And now let's talk about why I believe this project will skyrocket. So first of all, as I mentioned, they have this big banner. Next, of course, all the features I just mentioned, the partners, the backers, the influencers, the features, all these things, of course, matter because I believe investors this season, they're not stupid. Everyone knows to invest in the utility projects. And so far, this project has so many different utilities. And all of these utilities already work. You can test their website because they have been building this platform for 5 years with 50 people working on it, and they have over 3 million users. Again, impressive numbers, impressive utility. And now let's talk about this banner. So something's coming soon in December 13, and I believe this is going to be AI agent. And let me explain what it is. So basically, AI agent is a new trend in crypto. I believe I'm going to be doing more videos about this topic because I'm investing heavily in all AI agent projects because few that launched, they performed like crazy. Even CoinGecko has right now AI agent category with all of the AI agent projects. And you can see the projects are performing really good. You can see the market caps in billions. Some of them are like 200, 300, 100 million. And if we jump into DeFi, right now the project is sitting below 1 million. That's why I believe this project with all the features it has already, plus once they launch additional feature, which is going to be something like this, which for us would make 100x returns on our investment. And for the short term, I really hope this project reaches 50 million up to 100 million because I'm invested heavily in this project myself. So not financial advice, but I bought these tokens because I'm seeing all of these things and I'm also seeing this bullish push for their AI agents. And let me explain why I believe they're launching AI agent. Because if we jump into the documents, they have their roadmap, which is moving really quick. And you can see 2025, they plan to launch the DeFi AI assistant. And basically, this is a similar thing to the AI agent. And I think right now the timing is perfect because AI agents are performing like crazy. Everyone's looking for the next AI agent and people are pouring money to the AI agent projects. In my opinion, for the past, I would say 4 months, we're looking for the next trend because it was all about memes. But I think right now we found the next, I would say, hype, the next trend, and it's going to be AI agents. And as mentioned, if we combine all the features they have already and we add AI agents and we take a look at the market cap, I think this project looks like a no-brainer, 100x winner. So just to recap, I think DeFi is a great project. Of course, great name. Also, they have great features for everyday users. For other projects, they have great APIs. And also, they're launching really cool utility, in my opinion. Again, speculation, but I believe it's going to be AI agents. And this is a really big market right now with a really big hype behind it. And with this low cap and all of the big partners, influencers, I think this is a tiny, tiny cap. And we can actually buy it super early before the bull run with this discount. And I think 50, 100x is really possible. Again, not financial advice. And as usual, if you want to buy the tokens, if you want to check out all the info I just showed you can find all the links in the description. And of course, ask me questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.
Get money.